Welcome to Cloudshot. Today, we'll connect AWS to Cloudshot using Cognito Identity Pools, a secure, keyless authentication method perfect for teams and enterprises. Let's dive in. Navigate to connect your cloud account. Here you'll see various cloud providers. Click on Start with AWS to begin configuring your AWS connection. Cloudshot offers 3 ways to connect to AWS. For this tutorial, we'll use AWS Cognito, our secure connection method, so click on Use Cognito. On the right, you'll find simple instructions for obtaining your identity pool ID. Let's follow these steps together. Initialize AWS Cloud Shell. Click on the link provided to open AWS Cloud Shell in your preferred region. For this demo, we're using Mumbai, AP South 1. Note, if you're using a different region, simply replace AP South 1 in the URL with your own AWS region code. Wait a moment while AWS prepares your Cloud Shell environment. Next, return to Cloudshot and copy the automated setup command provided. Now, head back to your AWS Cloud Shell terminal. Paste the command into the terminal and press Enter to execute it. Once the script completes successfully, look through the output to locate your identity pool ID and copy it. Now head back to Cloudshot. Here, you'll see a field labeled Account Name. Enter any name you'd like to use for this account. Next, paste your copied identity pool ID into the corresponding field. Once both fields are filled in, click Submit. That's it. You've successfully linked your AWS account with Cloudshot. Let's view your AWS infrastructure. Click AWS Network Discovery to begin. Select your target region from this list. Click Show Deployment Now and watch as Cloudshot automatically maps your entire AWS environment. You'll see. If you want real-time monitoring, click Yes. To learn more about real-time monitoring, check out the real-time monitoring video. And that's it. You've successfully connected AWS to Cloudshot, unlocking powerful infrastructure visualization, smart cloud management, cost optimization, and so much more. Thank you for watching.